So you've spent an enormous amount of time and effort coming up with a new system, the Anderson Assessments Talent Solution. Tell us about that.
The Talent Solution system is designed to assess people at the point of hire and actually at the point of application, so that the company doesn't spend a lot of time and effort looking at resumes in a very unsystematic way. They have a set of criteria designed for the job, and it assesses people when they apply for the job. So what really works about the system is, one, it's systematic, and two, there's very, very little administration work involved in it. So when you open up your system, you'll see the best candidates from the top to the bottom, based on all of your criteria,
Right.
based on exactly what you're looking for, based on exactly not only the experience, education, and skills, but also the behavioral components. So you're looking at attitudes, you're looking at work preferences, you're looking at values, you're looking at interests. So you're looking at a complete range of factors that relate to success. And that's one of the keys to assessment, is that if you only look at a very narrow range, well, you're obviously not going to get it clear. But if you look at a complete, comprehensive, broad range of factors related to job success, then you're going to have clarity. And so what we do is we assess those things before you ever look at a resume.
Mm-hmm.
And therefore, you're not spending your time trying to draw out the real information from resumes at interviews, or trying to draw it out just looking at the resume, or perhaps even missing some of the best candidates that you just can't happen to see it in the resume. So you're drawing out the information that you really need automatically, and therefore you end up with the best candidates from top to bottom, and you pick the ones that you want to interview. The nice thing about it is that it has an applicant tracking system, so it tracks them through the entire process. So as you interview them, you can make notes, you can add scores to the interview. Once you get to different stages in the process, you can also say, well, now I want to give them an intelligence test, or I want to give them some special skills test, and then you can refine the process as you go along, and refine the assessment as you go along. And at the end, you'll have your candidates, your best candidates, with specific scores. And there are scores that you've given based on your criteria, so it's not a hard decision. Whoever ends up with the highest score is the candidate to take. So the process is very scientific, it's very systematic, and it's very automated. And as a result, you can hire people quite easily.
Mm-hmm.
This also helps on the development side, because if you hire people that fit the job, you're going to spend a lot less time trying to develop them than if you hire people that don't fit the job. It also helps on the retention side, because you've hired them already for a good fit. So you've helped essentially all three areas.
Right.